So today we are at Centurion Mall, specifically at the Dis-Chem Pharmacy, and a couple of people will be getting their bills paid within the next couple of minutes. They have no idea we're coming. We're going to rush in there and pay their bills. Well, how are they going to respond? Let's find out. What's your name?
Margriet.
Margriet, hallo. Ons doen so 'n ding aan die begin van die jaar wat ons doen wat ons noem budget bill blasters. Dis namens Budget Insurance. So wat ons doen is ons gaan net so rond en ons kyk na mense se groceries en ons sê ons sal betaal daarvoor. So ek wil graag vir jou sê dat ons gaan betaal vir wat ook al jy gekoop het hier vandag.
Dis goeie nuus. Baie dankie.
Yeah, and the kid as well. Just the great kids also going along. All right. Is it al? Niks anders nie. Dis seker. As jy maar Griet laat ek vir jou groceries in jou trolley laai. Sy skuis tog. Sy diens ook nog daar by. Ja, so jy gaan nou 'n goeie naweek.
Ja, baie. En vir almal vertel.
Guys, I'm from Jacaranda FM and I'm here on behalf of Budget Insurance, and I want to tell you, you can put away your card because I'm paying for your bill. Yes, because we think that this time of the month is a difficult month for people. So we're definitely going to be paying your bill this morning.
Well, I am with Budget Insurance, so wow.
Yay. So Tabang, it's officially paid. You're clear, you can leave.
Thank you, Budget Insurance and Jacaranda FM.
Hallo. Hi, alright. So ek gaan vandag jou rekening.
Okay, wel baie dankie. Spyt ek nie meer doeke gevat nie.
Alright. So I'll be paying for that bill.
Dis redelik, ja. Dit is redelik duur. Dis is R100 'n pakkie daar. So.
Wel ek spreek dit jou raak gesien man.
Baie dankie.
Baie dankie. Ek bly iemand luister. Jy weet ons het net 19 luisteraars.
Ja, hoe is dit? Ja, okay.
Maar okay. Wel daar is hy. So daar's nou 'n R500 besparing waar toe gaan hierdie R500?
Seker doeke vir volgende week want hulle hardloop weer doeke. So ja,
Die gaan 'n week hou.
dit gaan 'n week hou. Ek hoop so. Dit hang af.
Alright. Nou kom ons kyk. Laat ek hierdie kaart gou daar insit. Ons kyk of ek hier voor reg.
Baie dankie Jacaranda FM en Budget Insurance.
Perfect. If you want a bill to be paid by Budget Insurance, all you need to do is you go to jacarandafm.com, you tell us about that bill, and who knows, we might just contact you and blast that bill sky high.